Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today we're going to be doing a morning flow. This routine has all of my favorite morning exercises and is great if you're looking for a gentle, stress-free morning routine. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Bring your hands together and rub them gently until they feel warm. That usually takes 20 to 30 seconds, or it can take longer if you're doing it outside or your hands are really cold. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. And then also rub the back of the hand. And the same on the other hand. Very good. Relax your hands down. And then we're going to inhale, float both hands forward all the way up. Maybe shift the weight forward to reach up. And then exhale, relax down. Inhale, go up. Nice full deep breath in and then exhale. Twice more like that. Inhale up. And then open the chest, release, exhale. One more time. Inhale up. And then exhale. Very good. Interlace the fingers. We're going to lift and press out. We want to open the front of the body, so your stomach, your chest and your throat nice and lengthening through the front. And then release and relax the neck and shoulders. One more time. Go up. Press, lengthening through the front. Notice the stretch. And then relax and let go. Begin noticing the sensations at the front. One more time. Go up, turn, press out, lengthening through the arms, through the chest and throat. Everything is nice and open. And then release and soften the body. And notice a wave of relaxation rushing down your arms, open the chest. Very good. This time we're going to raise the hands up all the way and then come up on your toes as if you're lifting something like a big cloud above your head. Again, lengthening through the arms, through the spine, through the top of the head. Everything is stretch and lengthen. And then soften, release. And let the relaxation travel all the way down. Go up. Press out and raise up as high as you can. Here, breathe normally, always inhaling, always exhaling. Just hold this position. And then soften, relax your neck and shoulders. And just let everything sink down. We do one more. Go up. Lengthen through the spine. Open the back of the neck. The crown is pointing upward. And then soften and let everything relax. And again, notice the wave of relaxation spreading down the back into the legs. Very good. Okay, keep your feet parallel. What we're going to do, and keep your hands into loose fist. We're going to twist and turn. Gently soften your knees, relax your upper body, but keep your spine nice and long. It's almost like a tree. The goal here, we want to have a strong, powerful foundation through the legs, like a root system of the tree, and the upper body is nice and supple, flexible. so we don't crack in the wind. We are fluid, soft. Okay, so twist and turn. And take a couple of nice breaths here. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Now take one hand, knock on the chest. Another hand will knock on the lower back. Excuse me. So chest and the kidney area. Again, keep breathing. Nice deep inhale through the nose. And then easy long exhale. Draw the energy in. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Very good. And then take one hand and tap at the back of the shoulder. As far as you can reach. Just maybe touching the shoulder, or if you go further, tap the back of the shoulder. Very good. And again, take a nice deep inhale. And easy long exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Slowly unwind. Take a moment here to notice how your body feels. The energy begins to build up. Enjoy the sensation. Welcome any sensations. Very good. Next, I want you to place your hands on the lower abdomen. We're going to be doing a spinal wave. So first, look up, lengthen through the front, and then we're going to bend forward, keeping your back nice and straight. Then bend your knees, round your neck, and stand up again. So I'm gonna stand here, go forward, lengthen through the front, round the neck, and come back. Forward, round, and up. Forward, round, and up. Very good. So continue the movement. Relax the muscles of the back, relax your hips, and just let everything kind of flow like a waterfall. Very good. Stand back up. Move your hands to the back, and then we're going to go in reverse. So first, chin to the chest, round your back, lengthen through the spine, and raise up. Chin to the chest, down and up. Opening the spine, lengthening, let it breathe. When doing this exercise, you should not feel any pain or discomfort. So if you do, just limit your range of motion. And imagine like the spinal wave is just very small, but very supple and very fluid. Chin to the chest, down, up, lengthen to the front. Last one here. And up. Very good. Relax your hands. Let's take a nice deep inhale. Lengthening upward, and then easy long exhale down. Very good. Next, place your hands in front of the lower abdomen, palms facing down. And we're going to inhale, take a nice deep inhale, and look up, and then exhale. And relax down, opening the chest, opening, expanding the ribcage. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up, nice big inhale, and then exhale. One more time. Inhale up. And then exhale. Next, bring your hands here, palms facing down again. We're going to inhale, raise the hands up. Softly bend your knees to arch your back a little bit and open the front. Then we're going to exhale fully and lean forward, keeping your back nice and straight. Inhale, raise up again. Arch your back and then exhale fully. Inhale up. And exhale. One more time. Inhale, go up. And then exhale, relax. And soften. Very good. And to finish this morning routine, bring your hands here, palms facing down again. We're going to inhale all the way up. And then exhale, tailbone down, bend the knees. It's almost like you're sinking into the ground. Feel that connection. Your hands almost touching the ground, your feet are firmly rooted. And then release and stand back. Inhale, go up. Exhale, sink down. Keeping your spine nice and long. Release. Twice more like that. Inhale up. Exhale, root down. Release. And one more time. Go up. And down. Relax the hands. And let's take a nice big inhale. And then easy long exhale, sending your breath all the way down to your feet, like a refreshing waterfall. Inhale up. And then soften, exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Very good. That's it. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you next time.